Well, today I'm in Lower Manhattan and I've just been into this building here, which is the MIB Headquarters, and unfortunately I couldn't take the camera with me, and secondly I was actually deneuralised at the end of it, so I have no recollection of the place. But down there, that's where all the aliens go to. Now obviously they're doing a bit of work out there today, doing some renovations and some intergalactic public relations, I think. So they're quite busy today, but there's quite a lot more activity than usual. So I'm going to be sort of moving on from here, but from here, obviously I'm sort of moving on now. I've just been around Battery Park and around this building. But in the background over there, you can see a tall blue building. That's the new World Trade Center. I'm heading over there now. I don't think I'll be doing too many selfies there, as you can imagine. I'm going to be visiting the old south side of the old towers and the 9/11 museum, and then hopefully getting to the top of the new World Trade Center. So that's my update for today.